Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and for another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my makeup on a daily basis. I don't really wear makeup on a daily basis, however whenever I do feel like putting on some makeup, this is my go-to method or way of doing my makeup. So if you'd like to see how I do my makeup, it's very simple and easy. Just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful or entertaining in any way. Well, thanks again for clicking on this video and do enjoy. Okay, so first things, whenever I'm about to apply my makeup, I always start off with a freshly washed face. I have oily skin, so my face is still glowing and I haven't even applied my moisturizers yet. So the first thing that I do is I like to apply my moisturizer, and I'll just have a pick of, I know it's not gonna focus, so I'll just have a pick of this moisturizer somewhere here in the video. So I'm just gonna, and I keep looking in the viewfinder because I'm not using a mirror, so excuse me for not looking at you. So I'm just adding some moisturizer to moisturize my face. And I think we got that done. Alright, so after I've applied my moisturizer, the next thing I go ahead and do is simply just to apply my foundation. Now, I don't normally use a primer. I'm not that into makeup, so I'll just normally go ahead and moisturize, and then I'll just apply my foundation. So I normally do like 2 pumps, 1, 2, yeah, and then I normally just dot it all over my face. Dots until you cannot dot anymore. And then I normally take my beauty blender and I'll just spray it with some water just to moisten it a bit, and then I just pat away, you know. And you want to do this very quickly because this makeup that I'm using tends to dry very quickly. So I'm just patting the makeup into my skin, and you see already my skin already looks flawless. I'm just beating my face up, you know, just to make sure that all the makeup is evenly distributed on my face. I don't really like when it goes in my hairline, so I tend to like stop it like right here, and then I use the powder to really allow it to blend into my face from my hairline, if that makes sense. Oh, alright, so I'm just gonna use my mirror just to see if it's blended. I'm just looking in this mirror here just to see if it's blended properly. Not bad actually. you want to go under these places, you know, because when you turn like this, you don't want to see like one shade here and another shade there. It doesn't really look good. I don't really like bringing it down to my neck, but I ensure to cover under here. And I think that should do it. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is our eyebrows. So to do my eyebrows, I use this spoolie thingy here. Oh, I don't normally shave my eyebrows. I leave them as is. I know they look bushy, but I love it this way because majority of the time I do not wear makeup anyway. And I don't want to have to be doing my brows every day in order to go out. So yeah. So I'm just using this spoolie to kind of brush my hairs in place. So next I'm just using a pencil. This is no special pencil. I bought this at Mr. Chin. So I'm just using this pencil just to create a shape for my eyebrows. I'm just kind of trying to mimic the hair, my natural eyebrow hairs. So you do not want to draw a straight line from here. I actually do not like seeing that, so I tend to just do strokes, and then I do the same thing to the other side. I keep looking in the glass, so excuse me. I have to see what I'm doing. Alright, I think that looks good. And then I just use this spoolie here to blend it all out. Yeah. And then, so after I do that, I use the Pro LA Girl. So Pro I use concealer. This to basically clean up my eyebrows. And this is in the shade Toffee. So I'm just going to use this concealer to clean up my brow. Alright, so after I've done that, then I just go ahead and wipe off the excess concealer. I just blend it out. Kind of don't like seeing the halo effect above the eyes, so what I normally do is to go ahead and use my powder to just, you know, kind of remove that from it. Okay, next I'm just using this Milani powder, Milani Minerals Compact Powder. I'm just gonna use this hair sponge that came in it because I don't have my brush, and I'm just gonna use it to set my foundation. And as you can see, this foundation that I used, it's very good because it hides all my dark spots that I have. So it's a very good foundation. And for my eyebrows, in order to get rid of the glow that it had, I just dipped the small brush in this powder and I just use it under and over my eyebrows, the parts that I had highlighted. And that's all there is really to the face. As you can see, it's very simple, but you know, it has all my blemishes and I look more put together. So now for the final look, I'll just be using this lip liner for my lips. It's LA Girl lip liner in the color Raspberry. So I'm just gonna use it to first align my lips. Oops. And then I'm gonna color my lips with the color. And it gives me this matted look. I love the look. And finally, I'm just adding some mascara to my little eyelashes because I do not wear lashes. Don't do this at home. Ooh. I juked myself in the eye. And that's it for my face, guys. I keep looking in the viewfinder to look at myself, you know, because I'm that beautiful. Yeah, so this is the final look. I'm loving it. And this makeup is pretty much breathable. That's one thing I hate about makeups. I don't like to feel as if my skin cannot breathe, but you know, this is okay. So this is my final look, guys. So once again, guys, as we come to the end of this video, I want to thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you did like it, and comment, share, comment nice words, you know, encouragement, other videos that you like me to do, and you can share it with your friends and if you found it helpful. Also, in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I style my hair to complete this look here. So that will be a flat ironing video, so stay tuned for that video. It will go up after this one. So until next time, guys.